My name is Darlene Davis and I'm part of the London Middlesex Master Gardeners, and today I'm going to show you how to divide Monarda, or commonly known as bee balm. So you're going to need a trowel or a shovel because we're going to do some digging today, and a bucket for temporary storage. So when should you divide your bee balm? I personally like to do this in the spring when the emerging shoots are 4 to 6 inches tall. I simply dig out like an 8x8 circular area, digging deep enough to get under the roots. Bee balm has mats of shallow roots, making the digging super easy, so you only need to dig down about 3 to 4 inches or so. If you damage some of the shoots or leave a couple of the shoots behind, it's okay. Bee balm is super sonic tough, and don't be scared to be relentless with the trowel. Alright, so it looks like I've dug in that circular area now, and it's time to make a division. So here I am trying to tease out some roots a bit to make a little clump. And there we go. This little clump has about 5 shoots, and this is what I will be planting into a new home. Alright, so replant each clump into a well-drained, full sun area. Since bee balm is a super spreader, leave plenty of space between the new plants. Gently shake out some of the roots. And then when you plant it, make sure that the roots get in contact with the soil. There we go, cover the roots and gently press down. Well, firmly press down. You want that contact. Alright, I like to throw down a plant marker for good measure, and then give those bee balm babes a real good water and keep the soil evenly moist throughout the growing season. And that's really about it. It's really easy to divide your bee balm. Thanks for watching.